Nice hotel with convenient location. The hotel is located on nice street with ample car parking. Nearby there is a cafe, believed to same owner, where you can order your breakfast on call. It's about 850 meters to the temple. The rooms are clean with good AC system. There is a lift too if you cannot walk upstairs. Staff is friendly and helpful. Will make booking again when I'm back to visit the temple. Exceptional. The space of the hotel is very good, convenient and relax. Especially, the hotel owns the nice coffee shop could delivery meals which could replace to the internal restaurant. Tamon Noi Kai Kancho and Gucho One Dame. Vi Tri, Nam Nhai Cong Bon Ve Kua Chiuba, To the Gui Zio Ks Rawadi Ziloid Vau Chiuba Se Kong Phi Tunde, K Ben Ko Chuan Coffee Nen Ko the Kauduan Sang Rat Dien Vanong. John The Nan Tien, Hotro Rat Nia Ting. Kok San Sok Se, Ko De Di Ban Chai, Suatam, Dagoi. Diem Tru, Ko Sovat Chat, Zhuang, Chan Men, Kontam, etc., Ka Chu, Kan Nung Kap Hoak Doingwa. Juduin Yet Kong Hai Long, Ka Cham Rat Came. Damangung Tien Koi Zivan Yak Wei Lai Noi Chuyen Benning Yi Rat Ro. So Voi Jiet Yen Ti Tai Kong Xung Dang Lam Nung Van Ko the Otwak.